Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. I got some goals for 2026 and I got a collecting strategy that you might want to hear about, because this is going to give you an idea of what kind of videos you might be seeing this year. Alright, the recap. Last year in 2025 I had quite a few goals and I accomplished most of them to somewhat of an extent, so we'll kind of briefly go over that. I did find some amazing deals. One of the best deals, probably the best deal in my collecting journey, a Colt Single Action Army Cavalry revolver. Probably the best find in my whole collecting journey. I also got around to fixing some of the projects I have, but I've still got a few more. I went to quite a few living history events and captured a lot of that local history, as well as ancestral history and knowledge and understanding of the past military conflicts that we saw in the States. I also took the time to donate to organizations like the American Battlefield Trust to help with preservation and curation of America's battlefields. All right, so what are my goals here in 2026? What can you expect to see on my channel this year? Well, we're gonna go over some of my collecting strategy here. But if you haven't already, be sure to pulverize the like button and subscribe for the algorithms. Definitely helps out and definitely appreciate it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be looking for good deals, but specifically I'm looking for quality over quantity. Yes, there are probably going to be some really good deals out there on Mosins, maybe at some of your pawn shops, maybe at some of the local small town shops. You can imagine the sentiment is down for a lot of these military collectible weapons, but as far as good deals go, I've got a pretty good decent amount of Mosins, and I might be looking for stuff that I don't already have, maybe stuff that is very rare, unique, and hard to find. Recently I've been looking at a lot of Civil War weapons, especially cavalry carbines or weapons that were used during battles that were quite significant. So I'll be keeping an eye out for those. All right, another goal here that I plan on doing in 2026 is I've got a lot of projects still. I've got a lot of stuff I got to work on, and that's going to take time and money. So I want to do it right. I want to do it to the best I can do it by, and I want to dedicate time and money for those. Definitely going to be looking at fixing some of those up, and YouTube doesn't really like those kinds of videos, so I'll try to do my best and share that with you guys. All right, and something else I'm planning to do here in 2026 that I've been doing already is going to some reenactment events, some living history events, talking to veterans. I definitely plan to talk to a lot more veterans because every veteran has a story, and I think it's important to capture those stories before they can no longer tell them anymore. So yes, there's a lot of history to learn at reenactments and living history events, and I plan to share a lot of what I learn with you guys. All right, so something else that's kind of related to my collecting strategy, because it does take time and money, is fixing other projects, working on other projects. One of those things where there's a lot of priorities to be done when you're a homeowner, when you're a family man. I plan on spending a little bit more time with the family, doing more family things. My son's in soccer, so we travel all the time, and he plays pretty competitively, so that takes a lot of time, energy, and money. And those are things that I don't want to look back upon and say, why didn't I spend time doing that? Because that is very important to me, especially with the family, spending time with them, especially with my younger sons who are growing up and experiencing life. While those are very important to me personally, I think they are going to impact a little bit of my collecting strategy this year, but not by much. But it definitely has to be a part of that. All right, the last goal I have here in 2026 is to donate to organizations that preserve history, preserve military heritage, and help out with the overall community. Last year, I donated to the American Battlefield Trust, and I definitely plan to do that again this year. I am a member, so if you want to be a member of American Battlefield Trust, you can go on their website. Link in the description. All right, so there is a strategy here. You gotta look around, look often. If you're not looking around every day, at least online for a little bit, you're not gonna find good deals. You're not gonna find stuff you're looking for. You gotta be searching around. If you're going to a doctor's appointment, if you're going to the bank, if you're going somewhere, if you're going on your way back from work, stop by some of the shops. Take a little detour, take the time to go look. because the more you look, the better the chances you have of finding something for your collection. Another thing is to do research. Research valuations, research history, research relics and items that you're interested in. That way you already have an idea of what you're getting into before you get into it. And if not, do some research. If you find something you're kind of interested in but you don't know much about it, do some research on the spot. You know, if you have to, go back to your car so you're not pressured by anybody or anything, just standing around on your phone. That way you can get a good idea of what it is that they have at that shop. Third thing here I think is important is to negotiate. A lot of places, they don't mind if you negotiate, and you're gonna save a few bucks. You might save on some taxes. You might get a really good deal. So always ask if you can get it for a lower price. The fourth thing here I think would be important is to network. Talk to people at the shops, talk to the owners, talk to enthusiasts that are there at shows, militaria, or shops. So let me know in the comments section, what is your collecting strategy? What are you gonna primarily focus on this year? Well, that's it for the video here, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Pulverize the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Make it a great day.